Meet Adam. He has erectile dysfunction, and he wasn't ready to consider surgery. That's when his doctor told him about shockwave therapy, a simple solution to restore function naturally that's 100% non-invasive, drug-free, and has no dangerous side effects. Adam and his wife were eager to sign up, but Adam couldn't skip work, and his local shockwave clinic was out of his budget. Adam needed a solution, fast, so he ordered a shockwave device online from an FDA-registered manufacturer here in America. His shockwave device was delivered right to his doorstep, but Adam still had some questions like, how do I use it? When do I use it? And what if it doesn't work? Before starting, Adam needed answers. If you have shockwave questions, the Shockwave Society of North America has answers. They can help you find shockwave providers, sign up for training online, and even schedule an appointment. You can learn at your own pace, or schedule a live video training. Of course, it is completely confidential and HIPAA secure. Advantages of ED shockwave training include access to exclusive videos, pre-post care tips, and step-by-step instructions. We give you the tools to get the job done right from the comfort of your own home, because home is where healing happens most. Start your shockwave training online at www.training.swsna.org, provided by the Shockwave Society of North America.